She's skiing.
Press the record button.
It's already recording.
Oh.
Ignore that.
They decided to do construction at 8 o'clock in the morning next door.
But it was perfect timing because our Goal Zero is here. Hi guys!
Yeah.
We're not going to talk about how much this costs. We're just going to get into it and open up the box.
There's two forms of the Goal Zero Yeti 400. There is the AGM version, which is, I believe, I think I know what I'm talking about. I believe a standard car battery. Upon depleting past 80% a couple times, it actually damages the battery. And I'm definitely going to deplete it well under 80%. So, we got the lithium version because this can go from 100 to 0 like 1,000 times.
I think it was 1,000 actually.
And it won't damage the
Don't
battery.
quote us on that.
Quote her.
So yeah, we're going to open it up and kind of just show you guys what's in the box. It's kind of unsettling that it showed up showing what it is, but hopefully
Yeah.
FedEx took care of it.
But let's do it. Gay knife, doing gay things. She ready. Hold on, I don't want to stab you. Or do I?
I want to stab them.
See guys, when I woke up in the morning, I wanted to go over there and give them a piece of my mind. Majority of people that know me, I am a 6'3", 120 pound soaking wet little Dominican boy.
It's not just people who know you. I'm pretty sure that's obvious at this point.
And what am I gonna do? Just walk up in that bitch like, come on guys, really? And just have three big ass dudes. Are you prepared to do something about it? No, I'm pussy.
Ooh, it comes with important
Cosas importantes.
user guide.
Things
It
we
smells.
never. I'm never gonna read that.
I'm gonna read that.
Oh. Cords.
Plastic.
So what cords are these?
Sorry, Mama Earth.
So this is the charger.
Ooh, the charger is actually
the wall charger.
quite slim. I expected like a big piece to have to
Yeah, I
into
expected
it.
some crazy shit. And what's this? The rest of the charger.
Oh, okay. There's the big piece I was thinking would be it. So it's basically an Xbox One AC adapter. If y'all remember back in the day.
Back in the day.
That 3 years
Oh
ago.
yeah, the VCR
Xbox
Xbox One. Yeah, it did have the block.
We just sold our Xbox One, by the way. It's Sony for life. So.
Ooh, more stuff. Ooh, spark. Okay. Ooh, pretty.
It's a little bit heavy.
Not really.
For me. I think the box said it was 16.3 pounds out of it. Still lifted with one arm.
7.4 kilograms. No, it's clean.
Wow. It's pretty. I'm gonna take off this plastic because it's my favorite part.
Okay.
Do you not want me to?
No, you can't. Can you get one side and I'll get the other?
Oh, so you want to do it too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, we're gonna ruin it. It's
No,
already.
no,
No,
no.
you already got yours. Go, 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 go.
Sorry. So it is at 70% right now.
It's on?
Yeah.
Wait, what? How do you turn it on? Is there a button on the bottom?
This is where the user guide comes in handy.
Got it. Look, don't open it. Haha, see? Now the USBs are on. And now the USBs are off. And now the 12 volt AC is on.
Oh, you could turn them on separately.
And now the 12 volt AC is off.
That's so handy.
And look, the light on. Off. Riku!
Is there a power button for the whole thing?
I don't think so. I think it's always on.
Maybe that's why they did say online that it just loses like 1% a week idle, one guy said. Which is pretty good.
Okay, danger. Never exceed 22 volts of input.
Yeah, there's a whole piece of information here about what never to do with it.
The solar panel we're getting is 12 volt, right?
Keep me cool, keep me dry.
100 watt 12 volt, the solar panel?
It says, never exceed 22 volt input. Could cause injury or death.
Of the
22
battery
volt.
or me?
Both of us. Do not chain panels in series. Doing so will cause damage to the unit and could cause injury or death. They say it twice, so I'm pretty sure it's definitely going to cause injury or death.
Yeah, we're just going to get one. We're going to get a single solar panel. The same one that Valadia has. Earth Mama, shout out to you. It's like $120 something, $150 on Amazon. And well, the thing about it is that, so I spoke to Matt. I asked them if the solar panel that they have was compatible with the Yeti that they have. And he actually said no, because the solar panel itself is a, it's like, what is it called, an Anderson? It's an MC4 Anderson, I think I'm saying that right. Don't quote me. But
don't quote any of this.
Yeah, no, we don't know what the fuck we're doing. Pretty much the connector that they had to buy, they actually had to call Goal Zero. And the connector that he had to buy was called like an MC4 to 8mm connector.
I think it was MC4 to 8mm.
MC4 to 8mm connector, and he got it directly from Goal Zero. Apparently, they took it off of the website because people were blowing themselves up and chaining a bunch of solar panels and attaching it to the battery. So they went ahead and took the the cable completely off as to not give people any ideas. Also, they'll ask you what solar panel you're using because they want to make sure you're not going to blow yourself up.
It says to charge it immediately when you get it out of the box. A light came on, which is always good news. Oh, that's cool. It actually does tell you right here the input of how much it's charging, which is great when you get a solar.
Yeah.
And I was reading on the website that somebody said it took about an hour, hour and a half to charge it fully from a wall charger to 100% from the 70% that it's already at when it comes out of the box.
You want to go get coffee or something?
So yeah, we're gonna leave this charging for a little bit. I did want to talk to you guys a little bit about what you saw earlier in the video. We did convert sounds bad.
It sounds like you're making it sound like a cult.
Convert, suggested. Our friends decided to hop on the van life wagon, and we did help them a little bit with securing in their van.
We have manipulated our friends into buying a van.
Manipulate's also a bad word. Hi.
Not
Michael
if it's the
and Kennedy.
truth. Hi.
It's pretty cool. They just gutted it and they're working on it now. They're not hitting the road for quite some time.
They got a 1994 Chevy G20 Gladiator with a nice little high top. That bitch was pretty. The lady that we bought it off of,
Wanda.
thank you, Wanda. She is actually someone that works nearby here, and she's been watching me work on my van in the parking lot and doing my roof and all that. And she actually told me that she wants to do van life, and she bought a van and she's been working on it. She bought herself a fridge. I'm actually buying a Mr. Buddy heater and a Dometic fridge off of her. Thank you, Wanda.
Wanda.
But life happens as it does to all of us, and she decided that she wanted to go actually the route of a tiny home. So much luck to you, Wanda. $500.
Yeah, like we ran into her on the street and she was just like, "You want it?"
How many miles on it? Was it 73K?
I think it was 73K.
I think. But yeah, they got a steal.
I thought it wasn't recording for a second. We're good.
They got the van for a steal, and they're working on it right now. I believe they're in the process of completing the gut. They're taking all the guts out.
Yeah, I looked at them and I was like, it's such a nice color in here, wow. And then the next time I saw them, they took all the color away.
It was like a nice burgundy, like red, and it was actually kind of pretty. And yeah, the next time we saw it, she was ugly.
But they're working on it. But yeah, it's a little bit of what's been happening in the past couple of weeks. So we got the Yeti now. A couple of days we're going to be ordering our solar so that we can do that setup. We'll show you guys our rinky-dink. I don't want to call it rinky-dink.
Well,
we have an interesting setup in mind that we'll show you guys.
It's gonna work just fine.
We'll show you guys in the next video. And now it's about 6 days. We're going to be full-time in the van. And we got a lot of stuff to do, so we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.